Hello friends, is your engine running rough, shaking, or feeling weak? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0301, this means cylinder 1 is misfiring. Ignoring this can lead to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and even engine damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0301 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0301? P0301 stands for Cylinder 1 Misfire Detected. This means the powertrain control module has detected that Cylinder 1 is not firing properly. If this misfire continues, it can lead to engine damage. Common symptoms of P0301. Check engine. Light on, rough idling or shaking engine, loss of power and poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, unusual engine noise or backfiring, and a strong fuel smell from the exhaust. Cylinder 1 spark plug and ignition coil, found on top of Cylinder 1 usually near the engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor or CKP, located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, it monitors engine speed and position. Camshaft position sensor or CMP, typically located on the cylinder head, it helps with ignition timing. Fuel injector for Cylinder 1, mounted on the intake manifold near Cylinder 1, it sprays fuel into the combustion chamber. Mass airflow sensor, or MAF. Found between the air filter and throttle body, it measures incoming air. Throttle position sensor, or TPS. Located on the throttle body, it helps regulate air intake. Oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, positioned before and after the catalytic converter, it monitors fuel mixture and emissions. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold. Found around the engine, they regulate air and pressure balance. A fault in any of these components can cause P0301. Common causes of P0301. Faulty spark plug or ignition coil in Cylinder 1. Worn out or damaged spark plugs or coils can cause misfires. Bad fuel injector in Cylinder 1. Clogged or malfunctioning injector can lead to poor fuel delivery. Weak fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator. If fuel pressure is too low, Cylinder 1 won't get enough fuel. Vacuum leaks. Cracked or loose vacuum hoses allow unmetered air into the engine, causing misfires. Dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can send incorrect air data to the PCM. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor issues. These sensors control ignition timing and fuel injection. If faulty, the engine may misfire. Excessive carbon buildup in Cylinder 1 restricts airflow and causes incomplete combustion. Exhaust system restrictions. A clogged catalytic converter can disrupt exhaust flow and lead to misfires. Faulty PCM or wiring issues. Electrical faults can cause miscommunication, leading to misfires. How to fix P0301? Step 1. Check spark plug and ignition coil in Cylinder 1. Replace if worn out. Step 2. Inspect and clean fuel injector for Cylinder 1. Replace if clogged. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to check for a weak fuel pump or faulty regulator. Step 4. Scan and test crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. Step 5. Inspect vacuum hoses and intake manifold for leaks. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Step 7. Examine the catalytic converter and exhaust system for blockages. Step 8. Reset the error code and test drive the vehicle. Final words. P0301 is a serious issue that can damage your engine if not fixed quickly. Diagnosing the problem early will save you from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P02678. Cylinder 11 injector circuit high. P0279. Cylinder 7 contribution or balance fault. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.